All right, we're going to give you a cabin tour of cabin 15343. All right, and here we go. Now remember your keys here. All you do is hold them up. You don't have to stick them in the door anymore. All right, so we are located on this outward area, which we're 7 decks above the 8th floor of the central area, and we're right above that, almost right perfectly midship. All right, we still have the new type thermostat, which we're going to hit the ice button, and that makes it even colder. All right, light switches, you have to keep a card in, but I've noticed lately they're putting the cards in there for you, so you don't have to bring another card or a credit card or anything. Start out on the forward side. Nice closets with the nice shelves. One thing nice about these is you just drop this down and make yourself some shelves. If you have a lot of folding clothes, if not, fold it up and you can hang long dresses. Not that I wear dresses. And then down here you also have this tray that comes out so you don't have to reach underneath. Pretty nice. You're safe. A couple of baskets there for your shoes or whatever you want to put in them. Then we have another cabinet next to it. Plenty of storage space in this room. Again, you still have your shelves that come down. And the cabinets are separated. All right. And then our bathroom. We have a couple of hanging pegs, triple hanging pegs out here. 2 on the door, on the back of the door in the bathroom. And then we have our regular restroom. Again, love the doors. I hate the curtains. I wish they'd all go to this. Hopefully all the new ships will. Remember, they're building 2 more of these. So there's going to be 5 total XL ships in the next few years. That's your light switch there. Your little vanity area. 2 USB ports and 3 110 and 2 more. So a total of 4. And that's not all. You got the lights here by the beds. I've showed you these before. You just pull them out and they turn on. And then you have some by your beds. Full couch, which makes into a bed itself. Your drawers underneath with your hair dryer, bottom drawer. Okay, this is not a drawer. Oh, I'm sorry, it is. That's usually where they keep the hair dryer. But not on this one. You got your ottoman. And then on the side of the bed, you still have your little stands that you can place your stuff on. Again, those lights. And what I've always loved about Carnival, they have always put the main light switches between above the bed, so you can turn the lights off once you're in the bed, naturally. Pretty good sized TV right in front of the bed. And then my favorite part of this ship, and remember you got USB ports, only 1 under each of those lamps. All right, now we go out the door, which again, I love sliding doors and love this balcony. Look how big this balcony is. Now it does have one negative to it. One negative. Okay, is you can see forward, but you can't really see aft unless you stick your phone way out here. Okay, I wish we were down about 2 more cabins. That would have been perfect, but we're not complaining. And then there's the rest of your port. You get an overall view. Very nice room. I'm sure we'll enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we'll bring it all to you.